called the Lower South Falls. Number 2. Oh, that's a lot of water. Look how big this reef is. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Dat Dang Life. Today, it's 4th of July. We're going on a little exploration. We're in Silverton, Oregon. And we're gonna check out the 10 Falls trails. Should see some pretty sick waterfalls. 10 of them, in fact. So we just got here, found some parking. Look at this nature. Look how nice that looks.
It's not bad.
All right, catch you guys soon. Wildlife right off the bat. Oh, there's another one right there. We're somewhere here. Go all the way around. Waterfall number 1. Gotta make our way down there. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's a cave. Now we're under the waterfall. Under the waterfall. Hike just started. I'm already kind of hungry. Not a good sign. I got cookies and caramel protein bar. Thanks, Angie. Hike literally just started. I'm already eating. Look at this cool tree stump. Pretty cool. That's not a squirrel. Look like a chipmunk.
We don't have that anymore.
Yeah, I don't know. Look how small it is. Pew! Okay, we're coming up to the second waterfall now. I don't know the name of it, but I'll put it up at the bottom of the screen. So far, it looks like it's really easy to hike. Everything is paved. You have stairs, you have a handrail. I don't think you're gonna get lost on this one. This one's called the Lower South Falls. Number 2. I don't think it's that deep, but I'm not wearing boots, so. We made it! Look at nature's own arch. How big this tree is. Like comparison, here's my hand. Massive. Look at these giant clovers. I wanted to pick some, but knowing my luck, it'd probably be like poisonous. It's probably not, but I might be tempted if I see a 4-leaf one. Okay, we've made it to waterfall number 3. Just off in the distance over there. That's a massive tree. Double fall. Okay, 4 down, 6 more to go. I'm currently trying to get over these logs. Okay, waterfall 5, Drake Falls. It's the best angle we get. We're halfway there. 5 falls down, 5 more to go. I'm getting really hungry. You getting hungry? Eh?
Not yet.
Not yet. I'm about to take snack number 2. Snack number 2, meat stick. This one, original. It's a nice pick me up. 5 more to go. Waterfall number 6. Oh, it looks like we could walk behind it too. So I'll catch up with you behind the waterfall. Well, that's a lot of water. Honestly, it's so hot. Pretty refreshing. I just dunked my head in the water. We've made it to waterfall 7. This is not the best angle for it. But yeah, it's kind of lame you can't get over there. I'd like to get over there. It's closed off.
I don't know the name.
Oh, the name is gone. We don't know the name. I'll make it up. All right, off to number 8.
We were walking through the woods, and Angie's from Hawaii, so she's never seen anything like this. If you guys know what this is, leave a comment below. Tell me what this is. Also, I stumbled upon this cool yellow flower.
I think this is waterfall number 8. Look at that. I think above it is waterfall number 9. Upper North Fall, and then that's the North Fall. And then I think the last one we have is Winter Falls.
Before we check out the North Falls, we have to check out the Upper North Falls because it's a little bit farther. So we'll catch it on our way back down.
I see it, and I hear it. It's right there. We're almost there. Number 9. Look how big this leaf is, and I almost touched it, but look at these spikes all over it. And then what really stopped me was like all these spikes, but I almost just went wham. It's a good thing I didn't. But number 9 in the distance. Made it to waterfall number 9. Look how big this one is. One more to go.
Okay, we're finally backtracking to number 8. I don't know what it is, but every time I see like rocks or mossy walls, I just have to touch it.
Cool. We get to walk all the way underneath this waterfall. It's like a big old dome. I'm like ducking down. I had to, I'm gonna hit my head if I keep walking, standing up. Whoa. This is really nice. Look at all of this. Looking like people went down there and they're not supposed to, I don't think. Danger. Somebody probably got hurt. Oh, a long hike. We're probably like over 6 miles in right now. This is my view. This right here is my view. Okay. This one's probably my favorite so far. It's between this one and the upper one, but we still have one more. There's a lot of water. Look at the tree, just goes right up. The trees are starting to grow down. Crazy. Look at this. What an entrance. Waterfall number 10. Winter Falls. This one is very anticlimactic to be the final one. But we did it. All 10. Leave a comment. Which waterfall was your favorite? I'll try to leave the names on the screen. I'm kind of spent. How many miles?
7.9.
7.9. We still probably have like another half mile to go. Look at the little chipmunk thing. We still have a bit of a ways to go until we're back to the car. Then we need service to find out if anything's even open for us to go eat. So we'll see. All right, guys, we finally made it back to the parking lot. She clocked us in at 9.66 miles. We're gonna go eat some all-you-can-eat sushi. The same place that I did my first video on. What a day, what a day. Get you guys at Sumo, because it's pretty much the only place that's open. And we're really hungry. All right, we just made it to Sumo Sushi,
And now they have salt and pepper shrimp. Oh, hot. That's pretty good. It has the skin on. I know some people don't like eating shrimp skin, but my dad used to cook it like that, so I don't mind it. Okay, we're already getting our food in. You already know I had to get the hand roll. The crab hand rolls are so good. Rainbow hand roll. Spicy tuna hand roll. Rainbow roll. Fried California roll. So crispy, creamy. So now I got the chicken curry katsu. I got pork tonkatsu ramen. And then I got spicy pork tantan ramen. Try it out. Okay, let's start with the ramen first. Not bad, not bad. Got some spicy paste in here too. Got a overcooked egg, but that's fine. Not bad, not bad. Just decent. Okay, next up is the tantan noodles. All right, let's try this one out. Flavor's better than the tonkatsu. It's not super depth, but not bad. All right, time for the curry. It's just as good as I remember. Crispy chicken. Pretty good flavor of the curry. One more snow crab roll. Alright guys, if you made this point in the video, I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I'm just gonna finish up my dessert now. Go home, play with the dogs, and rest. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.